gentlemen, a big breaking news coming in from the Paris Olympics at this point. Vinesh Phogat has scripted history. She's entered the final of the 50 kg wrestling championship, the first Indian woman wrestler to ever be in an Olympic final. What a day it has been for Vinesh Phogat. From defeating the four-time Olympic champion, the reigning champion, to now securing or ensuring a fourth medal. I'm being joined at this point by my colleague Himanshu Tripathi. Himanshu, this is a breaking that you would have loved to be part of. Big, big day.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I mean, what does one say? This is a super Vishesh day for India, all fans, all sport lovers. What Vinesh has done is truly mind-boggling. I mean, what she has actually achieved is hard to compare in words and emotions, but let's look at this girl. I mean, what has she done? She's got India the first ever medal. She's the first ever finalist, a woman wrestler, finalist in the Olympics, first ever silver in this Olympics. Truly a stunning achievement, as we were saying a short while back, to beat the unbeaten Sasaki, somebody who had not lost 82 bouts. Remember, 82 bouts, not one or two, but 82 bouts, and then a commanding performance in the quarterfinals. And now, as we saw, a stunning performance in the semifinal. Now she's literally stormed her way into the finals. It has been a year of huge challenges for Vinesh. We've all seen that. We've been witness to whatever has happened outside the sporting arena. But to put that all behind her and come back to the mat, a place she knows best, and do what she has, it's absolutely stunning. I mean, it's a huge salute to her fortitude, her inner strength, her mental strength, and she has actually shown and lived to the famous dialogue from that movie Dangal, which is based on the Phogat family, that "Hamari choriyan kisi se kam nahi hai isme yahan."
That's so true, Himanshu, and I'm sure that's a dialogue everybody will echo with, everybody will relate to, because before anybody, I mean, that's a movie that everybody grew extremely in love with, the Phogat sisters. But